Where's my little rascal?
Mima!
Oh, fetch me a cold one. Sorry I'm late. I stopped at a garage sale. I bought a bathing suit. Talked the girl down from $1. You gotta make your own fun when no one's throwing you a party. But I guess 40 years of matrimony isn't much to celebrate, right, guys? Guess I'll go drain the old pee bag.
Donna, Jeff has a big surprise about your anniversary that he just cannot wait to tell you.
Yep, dust off your fancy wig, Ma, because I am throwing you, and to a lesser degree, Dad, an anniversary party.
Oh, Jeff, you're such a good son. Oh, you two are so good to me. If you see your father, tell him about the party. For the last week, he's been boozing all night and sleeping all day, so our schedules are out of sync.
Boy, it's been a hell of a 40 years, hasn't it?
You get grouchy when I leave my butts on your porch, so I figure I'll smoke inside and dump them in the commode.
Mima!
How's my big boy doing?
Donna, secondhand smoke?
No, these ain't my secondhand smokes. My dead sister smokes are menthols. Only spark 'em up when I'm too hammered to tell the difference.
Well, if it isn't my favorite mother-in-law by ex-marriage. Don't breathe it in, Colby, unless you want to destroy your lungs' elasticity.
Hey, I grabbed you a push-up bra because I know how Jeff likes it when you show off your cans.
Donna, I'm married to Nathan.
I know that, but if you want to win Jeff back, you gotta put them muffins in the window.
Mom, I'm sorry, but I don't think Dad's gonna...
I know. I've had 40 years of this, Jeff.
Look, you know, it's great that you love him, but at some point, don't you resent that it is such a one-way street and your drunk idiot husband standing in the middle of it peeing?
I suppose it's hard to understand, but...
Who's ready to party? Well, what you waiting for? Somebody pour a beer down my throat. And now, the moment y'all been waiting for. The world's greatest gift for the world's greatest old lady.
Ew, scratchers!
Whoops, those are for me.
A six-pack of Tall Boys!
No, mine. Keep going.
Oh, poor Mom.
Oh, baby, they're perfect.
That's love.